We're doing a Shein haul. These are like apartment things, guys. So just things to decorate, things to... You'll see, but I'm excited. Get into the first item. Oh, this is the jar I got. It's a cute little kitchen jar. I want to make overnight oats. You know, you put some fruits in the next mornings. A quick, easy breakfast. Oh, this is so cute. What a good start. Next up, I got this. Oh, I got this as a makeup brush. It's a bit white. And it's a face. It's doing this. That's so cute. Oh, I like it. I was hoping I'd get the pink one, because you can't see the color, but I mean, ice is ice, what can you say? But it's so I can have a round ice. How cutesy, you're offering someone a drink and the ice is circles. Ooh, next up, I got this, this vase. Super cute, also white. It kind of goes with this thing. I can put these together. But yeah, I got this vase and I also got these flowers. Oh, this is kind of cute though. I like this a lot. And I can use it as an actual vase for real flowers. Oh my days! I was most excited for this actually. Let's see. Oh my! I love this. Is this magnetic? Oh, I'm supposed to stick it on the fridge. Oh, the magnets are in. Okay. I'm figuring this out. This says weekly planner, and then you write the week, and then it has Sunday all the way up until Saturday, obviously, in an extra open space. So you're meant to stick this with these magnets onto the fridge. Ooh, I'm so excited to use this, guys. Like, I love a good weekly planner. It also comes with markers. All of this is within the whole thing, the full set that includes everything: markers, monthly planner, and weekly planner. Oh, I love this. We're about to be in our organized babe era. Okay, what are these now? Oh, they hang wires for like jeans and stuff, and pants, and this carry a whole jean. But you clip it. This is the clip, and I like it because it's pink. Oh, next up I got this like a tissue thing. Okay, this is cute. So yeah, this is a tissue dispenser for, like, you know. I like this, guys. It might seem random, but one thing about me, I'm a cry. Tears of joy, tears of excitement, tears of sadness, tears of shock. So some cute little, especially when I'm praying, because I'm just like so in God's presence. Like, how can you not cry? You know what I mean? Like, in a great way. So I'm gonna just have this there. You know what? Because it's white, I want it to have pink tissues. You know? Okay. We got these LED lights. Oh, but I want to put this in my bathroom. I want to line the whole bathroom mirror with this. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you guys that. It's going to be so exciting. I want to get some more later for my closet. Oh, it's raining again now. Anyways, these are so cute. I got these for the bathroom. So like to put in earbuds in one and then cotton circles in the other. So this is cute. This is so cute. Another thing you could put is floss, but the floss I use comes in the string one that you pull. So then I got these wallpaper. I got grey wallpaper I want to put in the back of the other room where I'll do my content. And then I also got this. This is for cupboards or closets. I'm going to use this in the kitchen, because the kitchen, I like the white kitchen counters, and the kitchen counters here aren't white. So either you renovate the whole house, or if you find an apartment where it's not white but you want it to be, you just get some wallpaper. What else do we have? Guys, I got these. I can't even form a sentence. I am so happy to have these. These are the mini perfume. Oh, this is so cute. It's the mini perfume thingies, you know. You fill up with your perfume, and then you have a nice mini one to take in your bag. I need this. I just have to figure out how to refill it, but I'm pretty sure it's simple. But these are so cute, and they're different colors. So obviously you'd probably just fill up a different perfume per thing. But yeah, how cute. These are so small. Like, this can fit into any bag. Like, come on. Look how small this bag is. I can fit all of them in here. I can take all my perfumes with me. Oh, this is lovely. I've been wanting this, guys. And then I got this. I don't know. It's supposed to be a sunset light. So you plug it in, I guess. And then you can just like, because it's going to be plugged in here, just shine it. I'm going to try this out tonight. Then, oh, I got this pillowcase. I don't know why I got a black pillowcase, because all my pillows are white or pink. But hey, it says, oh, that's why I got it. I even forgot. It says, give it to God and go to sleep. I think I have a pillow that could fit in this right now. Can this fit in here? It can! Let's try it out. I have to wash the pillowcase first though. But let's see if it fits, guys. Oh my days! I thought it was gonna come with the pillow, but I'm letting you guys know now it's just the pillowcase. So, thank God I have a pillow that fits. It's literally perfect. And this pillow's from Mr. Price. Oh my! I love this so much. Give it to God and go to sleep, because genuinely, give it to God and go to sleep. Don't just go to sleep, but give it to God first. This is lovely. Oh, even though it's black, I'll find a way to make it work on my bed. Okay, we have our last 3 things of the haul, guys. Guys, ignore that sound. There's a lot going on in here with the rain. I got a little night. Oh, this is so cute. So it's supposed to show the time, but this is how it looks when it's off. It's so cute. It's like a little mirror. Is there a screen protector? It's like LEDs, so it glow in the dark. So I like it. I don't sleep in the dark, but I like it because when I wake up, I always want to pick up my phone to see the time. I don't want to be on my phone when I wake up. I don't want to. So instead, I can have this on. Is it an alarm? Oh, it is. This is an alarm. I thought it was just the time. Oh, we're so up. Now I can really leave my phone downstairs and then go to bed. But how cute. So yeah, we have that alarm. It comes with this extension. It's a USB plug and a little manual. Is the ceiling gonna collapse? Okay. Anyways, oh, the instructions are in English, yes. Then we have this for my phone, and my phone is pink. My cover is pink, so this is gonna fit so perfectly. So cutesy. I needed this because, especially when I go to events, I don't want to carry my whole tripod stand, or when I'm just out shooting. Now I can just yank it on the wall. And then lastly, my favorite thing in this whole haul. Like, I know I've been screaming for the past God knows how long, but this, my dear beloved. Oh my! Oh, it even comes with a string. This, my dear beloved, look how cute the pink is. No, can you guys see? This is like a baby plush pink. So cutesy. It's definitely not white. It might look a bit white on camera, but it's so pink. Oh! It's charged! Oh, this is good. And even for makeup, when you're doing your makeup and you want it to dry, because I have to literally hold the paper and fan myself. Now I can just, and you can also put it down. This is so cute. Ooh! The speed. It can go up in pressure. This is so perfect. I love this so much. And once again, let me show you in a tiny bag. A teensy wincy bag. It fits with space. That's how small and cutesy it is. I saw one in my friend's car and I forgot I ordered this. And I'm busy asking her, like, where did you get your fan from? I think it's this exact one. Because hers was so cute, so small. I can't remember it, but it was small also. That's so cute. It's so nice that it came charged. But yeah. So yeah, guys, this is everything I got. I'm so excited. These things are so cutesy, so small, so perfect. Such great things, you know. But yeah, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Like, oh my goodness. I love you guys all so much, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. I hope this video was everything and more. Bye.
Standard Bank, Stanbic Bank.